BENZKIXXS S S.
Several bad puns later.
Hello my viewers, I'm at Baywalk Mall. I come here to buy a car.
Shut your bitch ass!
Hello viewers, welcome to the LiL Tokyo car show. We have a variety of cars which I'm going to show you all right now. So let's go. We'll start off with this one there. There is a little bad boy there. Where's the owner of this car? A little bad boy there, you know. That pull up there, I swear, was thunder. Oh, where's the owner of this car? There is you there? Oh, there is you there? There is you there? Yeah man, start up the behind boy. Yeah, start it for the nephew man, start it. DJ. Boy, yeah boy. Watch out. Man Max thing that there boy. Oh, but watch where this steering is. Old. You don't see where this steering is? Old. Big up. Excuse my girl. Now I don't know much about cars. I'm just going to show y'all. You check it. I'm just going to give you all a quick view of the different cars around, you know. We have Kokolop over there. Kokolop that is Kokolop there. That is Kokolop, remember Kokolop? Yeah. Kokolop. Chocolops, and they're making me say Kokolops. Like Kokolops. Chocolops. You know that one? That is a nice little thing there. Look at you. Nice little rims on there, simple rims. But they have Suda there boy. Bad boy.
I like to see it. I don't mind.
Yeah, it's really nice. That is yours, my G. Huh? You hope it's yours? It's not. I just come to put on the lights and we just, you know? Yes, I. Yeah. Hold. Yeah, man. Fierce. We have a little bad boy over there. Nom, that is your thing, man. Joed, not Joed, Nom. Joed and Nom is two different persons. They are brothers, but two different persons. Yeah, Nom. I forget his real name. We call him Nom so much already. Nom Tibaila Nom Gone. That looking like you there. Like I told you, a variety of cars from all over the world. From all over the world? I think so. What's that, a Supra? the car lovers. You will tell me which one is your favorite. That looking like the thing that was in that accident in Denry.
You looking at what?
HTS. What you say?
That's the father.
That's the partner father?
Yeah.
The man that is driving?
Yeah.
Check what's under the hood of this one. Skyline 350 GT. Yeah, people, this event is sponsored by Blue Waters as well. Yeah, man. Big up the people. Run. I know I go and do. Yeah? You have your glasses.
What are you drinking?
So you guys see me?
What are you drinking?
You see me?
Wow, nigga, give me a hot topic. I can't see it. I seen. Yo, I seen. Yo, hello, can I see? Eventually.
Man. Big up Keeper, man. Same speed. I see? Not just nice cars, but nice ladies, lovely ladies. Yeah, we have the bad boys there, same speed. Yeah, boy. ARC Precision. Done now. St. Notes. Yeah, boy. Oh, he packed by the other Supras, man. Supras, boy. Wow. That one you want, my boy? You want that one? Tell me, I'll make your daddy buy it for you. That's your daddy? That's your son. You want that one? See, I just said I want that one and the little boy want that one. That's the only two Supras that on the island?
That's it.
Big up, big up, big up!
Yes, I kill.
Big up, man. Wagwan.
I good?
Yeah. Just now, let me take a good thing at that again. Yeah, I'm a welder, not a gynecologist, but I'll take a look. Big up!
Alright, bro. I'm big up to your feet.
Yeah, man. Yeah, as you all can see, a bunch of people showed up for this LiL Tokyo car show. Yeah, boy, rhyming and all, you know. Check out the old school car there, boy. That's the one you said you wanted tomorrow? That's the one you said you wanted? I don't know much about cars, but I can just show it to y'all. Y'all could leave the name and details in comments. What type of car is this, man? What type of car is this? Nissan, Nissan boy. You all might laugh at me because I don't know the names, I don't know much about cars. I'm a bike man. Don't even know much about bikes either. A what?
A fairly easy 300ZX. Or some good quality C42.
That man knows his cars, that man knows his
Me, I
vehicles,
don't know
bro.
what he said.
I have no idea.
There's no it's a Nissan. A Nissan.
I know people will know. Which one you want? Oh, the boy that wanted that the partner.
That one.
Which one? That one over there? We remove it.
560.
We'll get to it just now. Check out this one right there.
When you die, I'll put you in there.
Tamara said when I die, she's going to put me in there. Won't she? That's too pretty for dead people. I have to carry with that when I'm alive. Is that a Benz? Is that a Benz? Because I want a Benz. No, Century Toyota. Oh, I thought it was a Benz, man, because I need a Benz. You know Benz must drive a Benz. Go check. Benz must drive a Benz. Lots of cars, people, lots of cars. I don't know where to go, where to start. Shine some light there for me, boy. What do you like? Oh boy, man. Oh, you have a motorbike engine in that, man. What? Boom. Tyson.
What?
Skyline boy. Oh, that one is a skyline too. That's the skyline aisle. Bigger, bigger. No, I just love this one, boy. This one is just too sweet. But it's a two-door. Yeah, family man. But I'll do something like that, you know. I'm a family man, people. So I'll have to pass on this one. But I love it though. It's really nice. Look at how the rim enters under there. And it doesn't touch nothing. We'll check out the interior. Wow, boy. The tires are finishing on the side. Ganil. Saudi la boy. By those. That's a what? A Subaru? Subaru. Oh, the man start dating the car that can make it all in. Oh, that is a different one. One there. Check this one out. Check out the rims on that. So neat, man. So neat.
Huh?
The cannot go up Salty Bus?
Cannot go up.
Remember, we have good road Salty Bus. She said it cannot go up Salty
Even if
Bus.
we have good road, it's too flat.
We have good road Salty Bus, not going up Salty Bus. Take that one, take this one.
That one,
We taking this
you
one.
cannot even bring me by that bridge.
We'll just not go. We can go everywhere, the road good. Hey, what are you saying?
You can't even try that car.
We'll not go Larry Street with this.
But
Salty
yeah,
Bus have good road now.
we live in Paris.
We'll back in Salty Bus. Yeah, boy. I guess this is one of the sponsors. Big up the sponsors there.
When you buy that car,
You better buy that one.
you had that the whole time?
Huh?
You had that the whole time?
If I had it the whole time,
Yeah.
how I don't go that tonight for me? Oh, who brought that bike there? This is a car show, not a bike show, man.
You just they invite heat rashes.
Bike still look hot, boy. Yeah, boy. Like that. That's bike looking sick, man. This guy is from Tokyo. You from Tokyo?
Yeah, man. You're the man now, folks.
Tokyo, man. Tokyo in the building. Big up Tokyo, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, good,
Where
man.
you ride? Where you ride?
Outside, man. I don't bring it.
Outside?
Yeah.
I really don't bring it.
Yeah,
Yeah. Straight from Tokyo, man. Yeah, LiL Tokyo. Yeah. You buying down for them, man? Huh? What's it, daddy? That's a nice little car.
Subaru.
4 doors I like. That's a Lancer Mitsubishi. I guess that's another Lancer as well. Yeah, that's
It's a Mitsubishi.
yeah, Lancer, another Lancer.
Equals to Gillian car. I like to see it.
Yeah, these cars are nice cars. Lancer Evolution. I didn't make out these up there. That one you say you want? Where your money? Where your money? Pour l'argent.
A big friggin' road that day. A big
I see
road.
things one that good.
Yeah, it's a nice car. But I don't want it again because
Huh?
I don't want it again because it's not too good.
That one you want, Shati? You want that one? The white one? Which one? This one over there? This one there? Boy, where your money?
Boy, it didn't work.
Put your money out there, take it. You want this one over there?
I will get it.
And that one is what? Oh boy. I get somebody to give me a tour. What that is? Tracer? I thought it was bike saloon, that was Tracer, you know. But we have Tracer in cars. That's not the same thing as the one down there? You all hear that, people? said, Tracer. All the car lovers, big up yourselves.